I thought it was recording, but it wasn't. It's just started. Again, I've just eaten. And I know I sneeze after something to eat. I've had something to eat.
Whether it's steel and aluminium, whether it's car building, whether it's pharmaceuticals or film, we are brilliant at these things.
I'm just into chilling because it's coming from work.
On film as we've done on other issues with the president. Thank you all very much indeed. Thank you.
Apparently, Trump and Keir Starmer have made a deal. Not that it's going to affect many people anyway, but. It's been a long time since I recorded sneezing. Well, it's a lie actually, because I recorded 2 more before this. I've not yet put them on social media.
Really gone into effect. It would have been devastating for jobs there. But this is historic, and by the way, a much needed political
I think maybe it's stopped now. I hope it has stopped.
India as well, also worth noting, he was very much in need of a major.
Oh well, 1 day left of working, and then we've got a holiday.
Labour really had a desperate need of a major political victory, and I think that's what.
Yeah, it's stopped. Thanks for watching, folks. Catch you later. Bye. Choo choo choo.